Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set a battle card on the Brawl Stars application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. New, just click to the profile icon at the upper right corner of the home screen, and here you can find the battle card section at the lower left corner of the home screen. Click that and you can add an icon. You can add the default pin for that, and you can unlock the titles, and you can choose the default battle card. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.